Smells nothing because it's shit. मैंने हर जगह मॉइस्चराइजर गिरा दिया. Packaging तो पूरी फाड़ दी. स्वागतम सुस्वागतम. Welcome back to the Trend Diaries. You're watching me Nidhi Jain and घर पर deliver हुआ है ये बड़ा सा PR box which is from Nykaa. So what could be better than unboxing it with you all. मैंने सिर्फ बाहर की पन्नी जो बहुत ज़्यादा बबल रैप था वो उतना निकाला है. बाकी let's unbox it together. Let's go. So that is like completely filled. I'm so thankful for this. But let's start with सबसे पहले जो मुझे सबसे टॉप पर दिख रहा है is this. This is the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer, a silicone based primer that I've been using since a very long time and I really like this. You can definitely check this one out. So during the Hot Pink sale it's gonna be for 384 rupees, while you also get a mini size of the same which is for 129 rupees. So you can get either or, but sale के दौरान 30% off पर ये चीज़ मिलेगा. MRP is 549. Then next I've received the D-Tan facial kit from O3 Plus Solutions. I've never really tried it, but yes, that is also there in the box. That stuff is priced for 560 bucks. I've also received the drying patches, which is like a clear adhesive patch to flatten your acne, and you get like 60 patches in here. This is from Mario Badescu and this is expensive. It's priced at 1900 rupees and this was also included in the box. Next product is this, of which I was not really aware of. Firstly, I love the packaging. It is like completely filled with information and less of advertisement is what I feel. This is a newer brand, if I'm not wrong, which is known as Worst. And it's known as the Dew Point Moisturizing Gel Cream with green tea extract and aloe leaf juice. So I don't know, suddenly मेरे forehead पे ना छोटे दाने, if you can see, raised bumps आने शुरू हो गए थे. And here I'm at my mama's place, so I'm not really carrying all of my skincare, so I didn't have anything which had salicylic acid in there. So when I received this yesterday, I thought to just apply a thick layer of this onto my forehead while sleeping because it did contain aloe vera juice, and I thought that it would be a good one to just calm my skin down, and also had green tea extract, and oh my god, like काफी असर हुआ है. They just flattened overnight. And this one is expensive. It's priced at 1400 for 60 ml of product, but the product is really good. It is fragrance free, by the way. It's a cruelty free, fragrance free, dye free. All of the good things are labeled on the back and I really like that fact. That was the product for 1400 rupees. Okay, so from Faces Canada I received this 6-in-1 eyeshadow palette. I haven't opened this up, so देर किस बात की अभी कर देते हैं. खोलने की जगह फाड़ ही दिया है मैंने ये. So I'm happy that पूरा पेपर पैकेजिंग में है. फाड़ दिया तो फाड़ दिया. मम्मी के घर पे ही प्रॉब्लम है because मेरी ये सारी जो काइंड ऑफ चीज़ें मैं यूज़ करती हूँ यहाँ पर नहीं है. I feel this is a very good compact packaging for traveling. And how do you open it? Like that? Yeah, I guess. Okay, so that is the kind of packaging, but दो shades यहाँ पे है जो ऐसे अंदर जा रहे हैं. So these are like 6 eyeshadow shades with mattes as well as shimmers in there. So looks pretty. I feel it would be a great packaging for travel purpose. So that was from Faces Canada. MRP is $5.99. Let's see कितना में मिल रहा है. Okay, so 20% off पे you can get it. That is the eyeshadow palette. I'm not sure सेल के दौरान क्या प्राइस पे होगा because सेल वाला प्राइस इस वाले पे फिलहाल तो बताया नहीं है, but it's like their newer launch, so you can definitely check that out as well. Packaging तो पूरी फाड़ दी मैंने. Then I see my favorite, which is the Minimalist Vitamin C Plus Ferulic Acid 16%. Again, a really good potent serum from Minimalist. You can try their serums. I love their alpha arbutin, their salicylic acid, their niacinamide, their vitamin C is good too, so you can definitely check this one out. So happy that I got this. Minimalist baby, I think they're having like buy 2 get 1 face wash or something free offer during the sale time, so you can definitely check that one out. I've also received the Glycolic Bright serum from L'Oreal Paris. Sadly, this is not fragrance free, and so that's the only reason I do not use it on myself. But this, they say that is great for minimizing spots and giving you that even toned glowing skin. Then I feel package में shampoo या कुछ तो leak हुआ है. बट वो तो हम क्लीन कर लेंगे. I've also received this foundation. Let's see क्या प्राइस पे है. The foundation from Swiss Beauty. It's their high coverage waterproof base foundation, and they've sent me the shade 7. I'm glad 1, 2, 3, 4 कुछ नहीं भेज दिया है, 7 भेजा है, which is the shade Natural Buff. This is priced at 399, but offer पे currently 359 rupees पे मिल रहा है. Definitely during the sale time और भी ज़्यादा offers रहेंगे, so you can check that out as well. They say it's like a weightless, matte effect, long-lasting, silky smooth foundation. Let me know if you've tried it and want me to try this out as well. Then another gorgeous lip product from Nykaa. It's their Matte Luxe in the shade Artisanal Coffee. This is such a pretty color, very unusual, and looks stunning on medium dusky skin tone. It is having that mauve plus brown tones. I really love this shade. On this, I've already opened one जो घर पर है, यहाँ नहीं है मेरे पास, so I won't be opening this. I would just give to someone in a giveaway instead. So that is the shade. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous shade, which is Artisanal Coffee. बहुत सही है ये color. Honestly, just love this. And right now it is at 15% off. But Nykaa पे they're going to be having different offers during the sale time. So basically Nykaa Naturals पे they'll be having like up to 50% off plus free body wash वाले offers है, and L'Oreal पे free minis है. On Nykaa they're having up to 50% off as well as free lipstick on purchase of $5.99. So like all of the offers are revealed on the Nykaa app, so you can definitely check that out before the sale, so that you know sale के समय पे before things go out of stock you can check out. So that was Artisanal Coffee, and if you go by my recommendations then you should definitely pick up Matte to Last liquid lipstick from Nykaa in the shade Chumki. If you love mauve nude lipsticks like me, I'm going to be doing, or I might have already uploaded that video first, which is my realistic makeup kit if I wasn't a beauty blogger. You can definitely check that one out because बहुत सुंदर है. Like these are the kind of shades I love wearing on a day-to-day basis, and I've showed these shades in that video. They are like so good. Then I also received the Primer Plus Matte Lipstick from Lakme. This is in the color Red MR4. ये सेल के समय पे मिलेगा 330 rupees पे, which is on a 30% discount. So you can check that as well. Then another good product which I already own 2 shades is this. This is the Makeup Revolution Lip Oil, and this is in the Cherry variant which they've sent me this time. I think the shade name is Glam Pink and not Cherry, but it smells like cherry and it's such a gorgeous thick lip oil. That's the kind of fat doe foot applicator, and this stuff is non-sticky, very hydrating, and just adds that gorgeous plump effect to your lips. It just makes them look so juicy and smells really good as well. So that was the Makeup Revolution Lip Oil. That is the product. और इस पर अभी तो they haven't revealed the prices. Like सारे के सारे नहीं prices reveal हुए अभी तक. Like some prices are revealed, but I already own other shade from this one, which is their clear one, and I really like that one. It's very long lasting and lightweight, non-sticky onto the lips. Just makes your lips look so full and juicy. I really like these. Then they also sent the Maybelline Matte Ink Super Stay Liquid Lipstick in the shade 65 Seductress. I do not own this shade, so let's swatch it. Okay, that's like a coral toned or cool toned brown nude color, a lighter brown nude color. I'm sure this is gonna wash me out, but if you're around NC 25 to 30, this shade will be for you. The Forever 52 Showstopper Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lover. I already own so many different shades of this, and it's a good one to go for. You can definitely check that. The Maybelline lipsticks are going to be slashed at 40% discount, so you can check them. The Forever 52 ones are available at 10% discount. The sale prices are not yet revealed, but I'm sure or drop hoga. And then I received this big moisturizer. I feel it's a moisturizer season because बहुत सारे moisturizers आए हैं. This is the Vitamin C plus E Super Bright Moisturizer from Dot & Key. It's gonna be at 30% discount during the sale time. That is how cute the packaging is. Now let's see if it's fragrance free or not. But they say it targets dullness, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and uneven skin tone as well. Oh, sadly it does contain IFRA certified allergen free fragrance, but I would not use it just because yes, are certified fragrances also irritate my skin. But yes, that is how the packaging looks like. Then we also received the Lotus Herbals Skin Whitening and Brightening Nourishing Night Cream, and you know my thoughts already on this. I am not into anything skin lightening or whitening. I'm so sorry. Come on. We are way ahead of all of this now. Melanin beauty. Okay, so the next product is this for optimal hydration from Cetaphil, and it's their daily cream for dry, dehydrated skin type, just like poor Nidhi has. It's a hydrosensitive complex 50 grams ka package hai, and this is fragrance free. I'm so happy. I'll be using this stuff up and surely be telling you all how this actually works. The packaging is really cute. Blue and white, reminds me of Vaseline. Honestly, smells nothing because it's shit. मैंने हर जगह मॉइस्चराइजर गिरा दिया. 50 ग्राम में से 20 ग्राम तो मैं गिरा चुकी हूँ. मुझे बाद में साफ करना पड़ेगा मम्मा आने से पहले, वरना डांट पड़ेगी बहुत बुरी वाली. बट देयर हाइड्रेशन क्रीम वॉज कॉस्टली, जो मैंने गिरा दिया है. 1250 रुपये का है, जो अभी 15% पे मिल रहा है. बट ड्यूरिंग द सेल टाइम यू कैन ग्रैब दिस फॉर 20% डिस्काउंट. एंड देयर इज गोना बी सो मेनी अदर ऑफर्स एज वेल, जो आई फील बाद में ही रिवील हो गए. आई हैव ऑल्सो रिसीव्ड दिस कार्टन लंडन वैनिला बॉम बॉडी मिस्ट. थैंक यू. MRP 1299, 1300 रुपये का है, कॉस्टली है. इसके बाद आई हैव ऑल्सो रिसीव्ड दिस हेयर ऑयल फ्रॉम नायका नेचुरल्स. एज आई सेड, नायका नेचुरल्स एंड नायका ब्यूटी पे काफ़ी अच्छा वाला ऑफर लगने वाला है. ऐसे कैन restock whatever is needed and not shop anything and everything just because it's the sale time. Okay, be very mindful because पैसे तो झाड़ पे नहीं आ रहे. But this is their onion and fenugreek shampoo, and so मैं बस बता रही हूँ इसमें से, just if you need anything or if you feel like oh I wanted this from a long time and offer इस दौरान सही है तो ही लेना. unnecessary purchase करके कोई मतलब नहीं है. Be very mindful. Okay. So the Nykaa hair oil is going to be at 40% discount during the sale time. You can check that. And the next product I have received are these hair growth drops from Pro Touch Skin, which contain biotin and collagen. I haven't really tried it. If you have and सच में काम करता है तो मुझे ज़रूर बताना. I would love to try it. MRP 750 है. But right now it is available at 21% discount, and I think offer कुछ ना कुछ तो रहेगा ही. अभी तक तो बताया नहीं है, but that is how the packaging is. If you've tried it, let me know. Rating तो काफ़ी अच्छी है, 4.4 out of 5. ट्राई करके देखेंगे. थोड़ा थोड़ा तो ज़रूरत है so that बाल फटाफट उग जाए. The Aqualogica Glow Plus Smoothie Face Wash this time is the papaya and vitamin C face wash. Sadly, this is not fragrance free, and that's the only reason I won't be using this and tossing it in a giveaway. But I'm thankful that I received it. So this is at 10% discount. 359 rupees में ये मिल रहा है, but offers है buy 2 get extra 5% off वगैरह वगैरह. So you can check it at that time. And इन दोनों में से कोई एक लिखवा है. हाँ, ये वाले भाई साहब लिखवा है. This is the Tresemme Keratin Smooth Conditioner. So मुझे लगा एक तो शैम्पू है, नहीं दोनों कंडीशनर्स है. So this is the conditioner. प्राइस इतने बड़े बॉटल का है 395 rupees. While during the hot pink sale you can grab it for 277 rupees at 30% discount. So yes, that's a great price honestly for a 335 ml bottle. मेरा तो लिखवा है that I'll manage. And the next conditioner is from Herbal Essence. It's a big bottle again. Repair conditioner is what they say, which is gonna bio-renew your hair and protect your hair against all of the toxins over time, and the result will be soft, free-flowing hair. So they say it's a best conditioner to go for color-treated hair to give that pH balance. Let's see. Hot Pink sale के दौरान ये मिलेगा 25% discount पे at 25% discount for 488 rupees. You also get a smaller size जो भी discount 25% पे है, जो 311 rupees में आपको पड़ेगा. Rating इसकी भी बहुत अच्छी है, 4.4 rating out of 5. So I think कुछ अच्छा होगा. We'll try and see. But I guess that's all in that big tabla that we got. And ये तो थी ये सारी चीज़ें जो उन्होंने भेजी. But I'll be quickly sharing you all my bucket list as well, जो I'm eyeing right now, and the offers that I really feel would be worth stealing during the sale. सबसे पहले तो ELF पे buy one get one offer होने वाला है. For that I'm eyeing the ELF CC cream, and I'm sure I'll be picking that one up. And ELF का brow lift clear gel is bomb product. too can get that as well. Smashbox पे there'll be around 20% discount, and I'm going to be picking up their Hello tinted all in glow tinted CC cream जैसा है Hello Glow. I'm so sorry, बोलने भी नहीं आ रहा पर खरीदने जा रही हूँ. But yeah, मेरा शेड होगा लाइट मीडियम. मिनी लूँगी obviously because मिनी, ओके मिनी, दैट्स इनफ. 60-90 रुपीज़ का मिनी आता है. सो स्मैशबॉक्स Hello Glow डेफिनेटली लूँगी, 20% डिस्काउंट पर मिलेगा. एंड टू फेस पे भी आई थिंक बाय 2 get 1 फ्री का ऑफर होने वाला है. सो इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ कंसीलर यू कैन डेफिनेटली पिक दिस वन अप. I love this concealer, super full coverage concealer, looks very natural and weightless onto your skin and long lasting as well. My perfect shade is warm beige. Then minimalist के तो सीरम्स वगैरह स्टॉक अप करने का समय है, बॉडी वॉश लेने का समय है, डॉट एंड की का सनस्क्रीन स्टॉक लेने की समय है. दीज आर द प्रोडक्ट्स लाइक आई हैव ऑलरेडी एडेड टू माय कार्ट. मिनिमलिस्ट की चीज़ें हैं. देन रूफा ब्यूटी के लिक्विड ब्लशर्स आई लव एंड आई हैव शोड इट इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियो एज वेल. आई एम ऑल्सो बी गोना picking up, like I think एक शेड है Inside Cosmetics के ब्लश का which I don't own. I'll be picking that one up as well. The shade Warm Up from NYX XXL because I love it. मेरे पास ऑलरेडी 2 है बट मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है खत्म हो जाएगी, इसलिए मुझे ये लेना है. I fear it going out of stock. That's like my major fear right now. And also eyeing this perfume. I don't know Versace का अच्छा होगा या नहीं. It is expensive, ऑफर पे तो है but if you've tried it let me know because मैं बहुत बोर हो गई हूँ मेरे कलेक्शन से. Like I've almost used everything up and I'm not a woman perfume kind of person. Flory scents मेरे को बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, headache हो जाता है मुझे. I like water based cool men perfumes. Like मेरा पूरा collection men perfumes का ही है and that kind of woman. Okay, but that was that. And Huda Beauty पे by the way ऑफर बहुत सही होने वाले हैं एज ऑलवेज. यहाँ पे हुडा ब्यूटी पे फ्लैट 50% डिस्काउंट है और देयर आइकॉनिक पैलेट्स, ये वाले जो सारे पैलेट्स हैं उनके 50% डिस्काउंट पे. रोज क्वार्ट्स है, ऑब्सेशन पैलेट्स है, ये सारे मिल रहे हैं. सो यू कैन चेक दैट एज वेल ड्यूरिंग द सेल टाइम. आई ऑल्सो लव दैट इजी बेक लूज पाउडर्स, ये भी काफ़ी अच्छे प्राइस पे. आई इवन ओन दिस ऑब्सेशन पैलेट हाईलाइटर वाला है, ये भी 50% पे मिल रहा है. मैंने तो भी ज़्यादा प्राइस में लिया था बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट द ऑफर्स आर रियली गुड. जस्ट थिंग हुडा ब्यूटी की चीज़ों में चेक देयर एक्सपायरी बिफोर बाइंग इट. बट द ऑफर्स आर रियली गुड. 40 to 50% ऑफ मुझे ईजिली दिख रहा है इनकी चीज़ों पे. सो यू कैन चेक दैट. इनका लाइनर मस्कारा बहुत सही है, बहुत सही है. मेबलिन पे 40% डिस्काउंट होगा. सीटाफिल पे 20% है. लैक्मे पे 30% है और नहीं लैक्मे स्किन पे 30% है. लैक्मे मेकअप पे 40% है. कलरबार इज हैविंग बाय 1 get 1 ऑफर. मैंने आईलाइनर बताया था इसके साथ, ये शुगर वाला, इसके साथ जो दूसरा मैट ब्लैक आईलाइनर. आई रियली लव दिस. उन्होंने बताया भी है लाइक दीज आर 2 of my favorite products फ्रॉम कलरबार जो उन्होंने यहाँ बताया. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस आई लव दैट हॉट लैटे लिपस्टिक जो मैंने यहाँ बताई हुई है, ये वाली है हॉट लैटे फ्रॉम कलरबार, रियली गुड. Nykaa 50%, MAC पे you get buy 1 15%, buy 2 get 1 free offer. Minimalist पे buy 2 get 1 free mini face wash और extra 10% off. Estee Lauder पे buy 2 get 25% off. Bobbi Brown buy 1 get 1. Too Faced buy 2 get 1 free. MAC पे buy 1 get 15%, buy 2 get 1 free. ELF पे buy 1 get 1, भाई इसका तो निचोड़ के फायदा ले लेना. Buy 1 get 1 offer on ELF. Do not miss out on that and always look for a similar range product while adding for such buy 1 get 1 offers so that you can, you know, squeeze out the maximum benefit. And you can definitely check out all of these products. All will be linked in the description box below. You can also check out my previous video which was my makeup kit if I wasn't a beauty blogger. I feel that would be a more realistic approach towards makeup. And yes, with that being said, मैं वो moisturizer साफ करती हूँ, बड़ा महंगा है. मैं तो वापस निकाल के ले लूँगी भाई, हाथ पैर पर लगा दूँगी, वेस्ट नहीं करूँगी वरना मम्मी चिल्लाएगी. But सारे links you will find in the description box. Do check that out and we shall meet soon in the next video. Till then, take care, namaste and keep trending.